Are you in need of medical health insurance but don't know where to start? Look no further, we're here to help. Today we'll be talking about the steps to get medical health insurance in the USA. The first step to getting medical health insurance is to determine your eligibility. Make sure you are eligible for health insurance coverage. This may depend on factors such as your immigration status, income, and job status. Once you've determined your eligibility, the next step is to research your options. There are several types of health insurance available, including employer-sponsored plans, individual plans, and government-sponsored plans. Research your options to determine which type of plan best fits your needs. The next step is to compare plans and costs to determine the best plan for you. You can use online tools or work with a licensed insurance agent to compare plans and costs. Once you have selected a plan, you can enroll in coverage through the insurance company or through the health insurance marketplace. To enroll in a plan, you will need to provide information such as your name, address, income, and social security number. You will need to pay monthly premiums to maintain your coverage. Once you have enrolled, you can start using your insurance coverage for medical services and prescription drugs. And that's it. These are the 7 simple steps to get medical health insurance in the USA. For more information and resources, visit www.truehealthplans.com.